Yo. First YouTube video. Mind your business. SXT Coupe. Mind your business. This is my baby right here. Regular SXT. Regular V6. Not an Asian. Not no V8. Can't lie. Still working on credit. I make a little money. But hey, this is what I could get. Just to start off. Just to start it off. Black top edition. It's dirty. It's dirty if y'all can't see it. It's dirty. Like I said, black top edition. It's nice though. I mean, I like it. It's a good little drive. Can't lie. Can't lie. Can't lie. Show y'all what's on the hood. And if it want to act right though, sometimes it be sticking. Let's see. Can I get it up? There we go. Put that finger right by. There goes on the use SXT. You know, I'm gonna upgrade it as time go. Yeah, red right there, red island, red down, red work being done. This my coolest little thing right here, the little puddle box. Out the way, mind our business. I love my car though. I do. It's one hell of a car. Carbon fiber, you know. Carbon fiber. Let me show y'all the carbon fiber outside the car. Y'all can see it. I like them little yellow lights. The little yellow lights right there. Yeah, I like them yellow lights. They cool. But look, all that carbon fiber over there. You know, all that carbon fiber. All this right here, carbon fiber down here. It's so dirty. I'm gonna need to go get a wash. Whew. Look at my tires so dirty. But I ain't gonna lie either to you either though. I kinda love that dirty look. Hey, how you doing? I love that dirty look. The dirty look good. Can't lie. That dirty look good, man. We just finna ride the city. Or whatnot. I'm gonna put my phone in the charger. Yeah, I'm using my phone. I'm gonna have to give me one of them little mouth things that be recording. It ride good. I can't lie. It's just a start off. Feel me? But hey, like a great ass investment. Real great ass investment. I got the speakers, goddamn 9-pound speakers in the house. Sound great. I have a 2016 SXT V6. color is white. Interior is black, as you can see. But shit, that's all. Dodge. I understand it's 2023 or whatnot, but it's updated now from the 2023 Dodge and 2023. You know, that's Apple CarPlay, stuff like that. But I like it. I like it. No complaints. Sure. I just thank God for giving me this, blessing me with this. You feel me? No complaints, no none of that. I can vent though, but no complaints. So, yeah, but that's all.